So today we'll see about like how we can install any packages into the Thonny IDE, which is for Python. So initially, like we used to do into the console by using the pip command and all. So there is another way to do this. Like this is how you cannot do because it is not the that IDE which is for the Python. So this is some different platform like where you can install your packages by going to the tools option. Just click on manage packages. Then after this you can search the any package name. For example, let's say I search for we can say pandas. Okay, you can see the option of all the which is libraries and the packages are there. So just click on the particular package and you will get to like option to install. Just click on install, so it will start installing it, and it will do automatically. No need to type any command and all. So directly with the help of the interface you can do this stuff. So that makes it easy to do instead of writing the commands and remembering like any command. So you can download the n numbers of library, which is the package whichever you require so far. So that's all.